Hi, it's Mark from Top Local. We're here with Bernie Pawlik, and we're talking car repairs. How are you doing this morning, Bernie?
Doing very well.
So we're going to talk about a 1995 Jeep Wrangler that had some brake repairs. What was happening with this Jeep?
Well, the Jeep came to our shop for a comprehensive inspection and a look over. It'd been a while since the owner had serviced the vehicle, and also there was he had a few concerns. So through the inspection, we found it needed some brake work. So we're going to talk about what we did on the front brakes this morning.
Was this a routine brake job, or was there something unique about it?
Well, pretty much routine, but there is one thing that is unique about it, and that's why I wanted to do a hangout about it. I'll start with sharing some photos here because it'll be a good explanation as we go through. So this is and this is a little dark, but this is the bracket, the brake caliper bracket. This is where the brake pads ride. And when we took everything apart, you can see in this area here, there's a big gouge. This is kind of normal after years of use. I mean, this vehicle is 22 years old, so it's been around for a while. But we see this on even vehicles that are 5 or 10 years old. The brake pad wears in this area. It slides back, it moves back and forth and creates a gouge. So that when this is worn, that can cause like clicking sounds in the brakes. It can cause it can also cause squeaks and squeals, and just generally, not a great feel in the brake pedal because things could get hung up. So, what I wanted to talk about in this hangout is how we repair this particular thing. We have so I'll go to the next photo. This is the same bracket after it's repaired. Actually, it's on the other side of the vehicle. It's the top one, but this is the area where we repaired. This had a big gouge in it. We welded it, filled in the metal, missing metal, and then ground it down. So it's basically like a nice flat piece of metal now for the brake pads to slide on. And just as a final item here, this is the brakes put together. The red arrow points to that area of the picture there. So you can see that here are the brake pads. There's an ear on the brake pads that slide in this bracket, and that's all been fixed. So everything slides clean. There's no excessive movement. We also apply our special orange. This is the sort of modern best brake lubricant available these days to any moving surfaces. So it prevents squeaks and squeals, and everything works and lasts for a long time.
Wow. So being a 95, this Jeep's getting on in age. How's it overall?
Really good. The thing about Jeeps is they're one of those kind of vehicles that seems to last for a long time. There's certain vehicles where once they get to a certain age, I can't remember the last time I worked on a 1995 Subaru. I mean, they're just gone. Once they get to a certain age, they just have no use. But Jeeps are, I was actually surprised when I looked, oh, it's a 95. It's, in really good shape. This one's unique too. It's a 4-cylinder with an automatic, which is kind of unusual and maybe not the most desirable, but economical and easy to drive. I mean, most of them are standards with straight 6 engines, which are awesome. But yeah, overall, it's a great vehicle. It's still in really good shape. The owner's doing a bit of work on it, but works good. And we work on Jeeps that are, decades older than that. They last a long time.
So there you go. If you're looking for service for your Jeep in Vancouver, the guys to see are Pawlik Automotive. You can reach them at 604-327-7112 to book your appointment, or check out their website, pawlikautomotive.com. Remember, they're 17-time winners of Best Auto Repair in Vancouver as voted by their customers. If you want it done right, these are the guys. Thanks, Bernie.
Thanks, Mark.